the RYOBI Surface Cleaner, powered by a RYOBI 3300 PSI pressure washer. Removing old stain, dirt, debris, mold, mildew off of a 5-year-old deck that had been stained 3 years ago. As you can see, it's really simple to use. You simply hook it up to the end of your pressure washer, which has a quick connect disc. Quick connect. It pushes the water straight through the gun into the surface cleaner, which has 2 portable jets on the other side that turn circular, producing a high pressure remover of dirt, debris, mildew. In our opinion, this is a 5-star surface cleaner. It can be used with any pressure washer that has a quick connect on the end of the hose. Again, we're using it with a RYOBI 3300 PSI pressure washer. You will have to go back with the pressure washer, and as you can see, use the pressure washer on the outskirts to get the debris. About 3 or 4 inches, you'll have to use the debris with the pressure washer itself. But as we're using this, I'll show you a before and an after. So the part of the deck on the left side has not been used with the surface cleaner, and this side has been used with the surface cleaner. In our opinion, 5-star, fantastic model, would recommend for anybody to use.